Everything that we are aware of concerning the off-road midsize pickup, the 2024 Ford Ranger Raptor. At the automaker's Michigan assembly plant, a 2024 Ford Ranger Raptor has been seen on camera as it makes its way down the production line. This gives us our first look at the truck in the form that it will take in the United States, although the most recent model of the Ford Ranger Raptor is currently on sale in areas such as Australia and throughout Europe. Residents of the United States have been required to wait a little longer. This particular Ranger Raptor is believed to be either a pre-production prototype or it may be an example of the production specification model intended for the American market. The Cactus Grey paint job on the pickup may be seen in the photographs that were uploaded to the internet and shared on the Ranger's 6G forum. However, it does have orange reflectors installed in the front fenders, which distinguish it visually from the variant that is marketed elsewhere. Additionally, the third brake light was moved from its previous location on the tailgate to its new location on the roof of the cab. It also appears that the back window on the American model will be a small one that slides up and down. You may anticipate having permanent all-wheel drive, a transfer case with 2 speeds, terrain settings that can be selected, and front and rear differential lockers. There is reason for us to think that the suspension components will be comparable to those found on the models sold in other countries, including aluminum control arms at the front, a live axle with a Watts link at the back, and Fox 2.5-inch live valve internal bypass shocks. In order for the Ranger Raptor to be able to fit the off-road goodies, the chassis should be strengthened. This should include beefed-up suspension mounts and additional frame bracing around vital locations. You may anticipate significant skid plate protection underneath, just like with the International Ranger Raptor. The BF Goodrich Co. 02 all-terrain tires measure 33 inches and measure 17 inches on the leaked Ranger Raptor, just like they do on the Global Ranger Raptor. The wheels measure 17 inches. The images that were stolen show that the interior of our Ford Ranger Raptor is very similar to the one that is sold in other countries. Some of the similarities include bright accents in code orange, a sporty Raptor steering wheel, bolstered sport seats, a 12.4-inch digital cluster, and a 12.0-inch touchscreen that is oriented vertically.